Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I have something really cool to show you all. But you guys might be like, wait a second, there's nothing on the desk. Where's the product? Well, here it is. This is what I was talking about. It's a very powerful 2.1 boombox speaker from Zebronics. They've launched it recently and the model of the product is Zeb Space Car 2.1. This is how it looks like. It's got a unique new design and I'm pretty excited to check it out. We've got the features of the boombox speaker listed over here. Let me show them to you. It's got Bluetooth support, has built-in USB, FM radio, aux support, has a compact portable design with LED lighting and also has an LED display. So those are some of its highlights. Let's just turn around the box and see what else is written on it. Alright, we've got the specs of this product on the other side. Let me show you. As I've told you, it's a 2.1 channel speaker that can produce a maximum output of up to 20 watts. There's a built-in 8 watt subwoofer plus 2 mid-range speakers that can produce each of 6 watts. The impedance of all the speakers is 4 ohms, the frequency response range is from 40 Hz to 20 kHz, the Bluetooth version is 4.2 and the speaker weighs around 2.8 kgs. So those are all the specs of this product. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. I want to thank Zebronics for sending me this product for review. Okay, let's open the box and check it out. So on opening the box, we've got the Space Car boombox at the top. And along with that, we also have a packet of accessories, which I'll show you later in the video. First, let me take the speaker out of the box and show you. Oh my god, it's a very heavy speaker and also quite big in size. It easily weighs around 2.8 kgs. So these are all the items we got in the package. And here is Zebronics' brand new boombox speaker. Let me just show you the accessories we got in the box. You get a user manual, just make sure to read that for full info on the product. A 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, an FM antenna, and also a remote control. So you can even control the speaker using this remote. It's made of plastic, the build quality is good, and has a lot of buttons to fully control the speaker. So those are all the items we got in the package. Now let me remove this cover and finally show you the boombox speaker. Here it is guys, Space Car 2.1 boombox. This is how it looks like. Whoa guys, just look at the design. It's got a very aggressive look. We've got the Zebronics branding on the front and these two speakers on the front look just like the eyes of this boombox. I really like this futuristic design. Going to the top side, we've got the control panel with 2 knobs and some media control buttons at the center. I'll show you all of those later. On the left side, we've got a bass reflex port. And talking about the build quality is solid. The body is entirely made of wood with the front panel being plastic. There's nothing else on the right. Now let me show you the back side. So this is how the back of the boombox looks like. Over here you can see the subwoofer speaker through the grill and has a non-detachable mains cord. That means you always need to keep this plugged in to use the boombox. Along with that, you've got a power on switch and an FM antenna port above that. So going to the bottom side, there's nothing over here except some rubber foot pads. So that was our complete look at the speaker. Now what I'll do is I'll give you guys a closer look at it and talk about the design and all of its features. The Zebronics boombox is a 2.1 channel powerful boombox party speaker that comes with two 3-inch mid-range drivers on the front and a built-in 4-inch subwoofer at the backside. The two mid-range speakers produce 6 watts of output each and the subwoofer has 8 watts of output. So the total combined output on this boombox is around 20 watts. Talking about the design, it's got a futuristic design with aggressive looks and the two drivers on the front look like the eyes of the speaker. The design looks really nice and it looks like this boombox is ready to attack the people with its music. So on the front side, you've got the Zebronics branding, an LED display above that and the control panel on the top side. Now let me give you a closer look at the control panel. The Space Car 2.1 has a lot of controls on it. It's got a total of 2 knobs and the left one is used to control the bass level. So by rotating this, you can either reduce the bass or increase it to the max level. And the right one is used to control the volume. I have to say the quality of these knobs is very nice. They've got buttery smooth movements. And in between them, we've got some buttons and ports. Let me show you. There's a USB port here so you can directly plug in a pen drive and play songs from there. And also has an aux port beside that. Below you've got some buttons which include a previous track button, a music play pause, skip track button, standby, mute function, and lastly input select. So these are all the available buttons. The quality of the buttons is also nice, they feel tactile and clicky. Alright, now let me just power on the speaker and show you. So as soon as you power it on, the LED lights on it start glowing. It's got this beautiful blue LED lighting on both the front speakers and also around the volume control knobs. The color of the lighting is fixed, also it doesn't blink or flash with the rhythm. Okay, let me power it on and show you. So as soon as you press the power button, the display lights up like this. It's got a simple red LED display which is bright and easily readable. As I've told you at the beginning, this boombox has multiple connectivity options which can be selected using the input select button. Let me show you the modes. You've got Knox mode, FM radio mode, USB mode, and finally Bluetooth mode. So those are all the different input modes on the speaker. Now what I'll do is I'll connect my phone to it via Bluetooth, play a song, and show you how the audio on it sounds like. The audio quality was very nice for the price point. I was quite impressed by the speaker's sound. The mids felt crisp and clear, and since the body was entirely made of wood, the audio that was coming out felt natural and had a nice warm feel in it. Also, I could easily understand all the dialogues. Coming to the treble quality, the high frequency response was good and was producing smooth treble. Finally, talking about the bass was nice and punchy, all thanks to its built-in subwoofer. The bass level is also adjustable using the knob. You can either completely reduce the bass to 0 or even increase it to the max depending on your taste. The bass was really nice and punchy, and the bass reflex port was also doing a good job. On the overall, I was quite satisfied with the audio quality. The THD was less up to 85% volume level, but beyond that you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And talking about the output, the sound output was also loud and satisfactory. It was definitely producing 20 watts of output. You can have a nice party at your home with this boombox. Plus the best part is, it even has FM radio support. So that was my video on Zebronics Spacecar 2.1 portable boombox. It's a really nice party speaker for your home. The build quality is solid, love the design, has great audio with punchy bass and supports multiple connectivity options. The only thing I felt the company could have added was some sort of handle to the body so you could easily carry it anywhere. That's it, rest everything else was fine. This boombox speaker costs around 5,399 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that speaker in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.